Thank you so much, friends, for motivating me and asking me the details and description, benefits of PACE in Brain Gym. My dear friends, I will be describing you and demonstrating you all the benefits and uses of PACE. So let me first make you clear that PACE is the sequence of movement in Brain Gym. So what is Brain Gym? The creator of Brain Gym is Paul E. Dennison, who believes and who has given elaboration that movement is the door to learning. And this is what I have experienced as an occupational therapist when I worked with neurodiverse kids. Movement play a major role to enhance the learning capabilities in kids. What are Brain Gym movements? Brain Gym movements, these are the series of sequenced movement which involve total 26 movement, and PACE is one of the part of it. So Brain Gym movements helps in the integration of left and right side of the brain, which is required for the whole functionality of the brain. Dear friends, do you really know that when we are in stress, then primarily we revert only to one part of the brain, and thus we cut down our potential learning capacities into half. So Brain Gym movements stimulate the nerves and nervous system so that brain can function as a whole. So when the nerves and the nervous system gets stimulated, definitely our learning becomes easier, in depth and in detail. So Brain Gym movements or PACE, it is not only used for neurodiverse kids, it can be used from the age 2 years till the age of 100 years. Even in senior citizens with the cardiac surgery, brain injury, we can use and we can see the result in the enhancement of learning. Brain Gym movements, PACE, actually enhances learning, attention, communication, language, reading, writing, sequencing, organization and overall performance in our life, making our life a quality performance life. What are the benefits of doing PACE? PACE improves the oxygen supply to the brain. It increases the electrical energy to the brain. It increases the polarity across the cell membrane. And all these things are very much essential for efficient thought processing, focusing and attention. So now P, A, C, E, it is called PACE. But my dear friends, when we start working or when we start doing these movements, we need to do downside up. Downside up means first we will pick letter E, E for energy. So we will take a sip of water which will provide us energy as it will increase oxygen supply to the brain. C, C means clarity, clear. So we need to do brain buttons. Keep your one hand on the navel. Actually, this gives message to the brain that brain, you need to wake up, and these are called as brain buttons. So we can just search for the soft dimples near the collarbone, and then we have to slowly rotate our thumb and finger near the collarbone in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So brain button enhances the total functioning of the brain and it increases blood flow to the brain. A means active. So we can be active through doing cross. We will just tap the opposite knee by our palm or with the use of elbow as well. So tap your elbows to opposite knee or tap your palm to opposite knee. Whenever we are doing these cross crawls, we are activating our vestibular system and for balance, and thus integrated the both parts of the brain. P. P for positive. Positive are hookups. Hookups are divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1. Cross your ankles, extend your arms straight in front, thumb upside down. Cross your wrist, clasp your hand, roll around, bring towards the chest. Now, touch your tongue tip over the roof of your mouth, which is called as hard palate. Breathe in, exhale. When you exhale, tongue will automatically come down. You can do this, inhale and exhale, and then change the position of the ankle. Uncross, cross your another ankle, straight extended arms, thumb upside down, cross, roll and bring near the chest. Again, touch your tongue tip, inhale, exhale. Now, part 2 of hookup. Uncross your legs, touch the fingertips, bring near the chest, and again try to touch your tip of your tongue to the roof of the mouth and inhale. Exhale. Hookup part 2.
Last but not the least is the duration of doing pace. See, if it's for neurodiverse kid, then it depends upon how long he could regulate and hold a position from 30 seconds to 1 minute or 2 minutes. For other kids and adults, they can gradually increase the time and repetition of doing pace as per their comfort from 30 seconds to even 30 minutes to complete full pace.
So, friends, this is all about pace and brain gym movements. So, whenever we try to initiate our day or initiate any kind of work or activities of daily living, even if we just motivate our kids to do it, really help to enhance learning and improves the performance in our life. Thank you so much.